Zevin, I done made your video about 4 times. This is first grade, list 24. You should have a Monday and a Wednesday. Like this. We're just gonna focus on Monday. I made these dots here to show you how to do for your spelling test. The first word is untie. Untie. So if I hear the word, teacher says untie, I'm gonna write un and tie. I'm gonna make 2 dots. I'll probably end up making them like over here, but I don't want to confuse you, so I'm gonna put mine to the side. Anyway, untie. Untie your shoe. Number 2, repair. Repair, and I hear re and I hear pair. So I'm gonna make 2 sound dots. Repair. Over here, this is fountain. Fountain. God's love flows out like a fountain. I hear fountain. And I'll give you a hint. Fountain is spelled like fontaine. Or fountain. This is author. Author. Who wrote the book? He's the author. Biscuit. Biscuit. This is actually written like biscut, with a sinky silent I this time. This word is biscuit, but really you write it as biscut. You can say biscut like that, make 2 dots. But I'm gonna let you do it. Number 6, research. So you're gonna do 2 dots, research. I'm gonna let you do the dots. I'll put it back in the middle. I'll give you a hint. For research, this is 2 blends. The first one is doing the talking. Research. This is also a blend. Ch, ch. What blend makes a ch sound like chug? Or chain, right? It's a blend right there. Go ahead and add the extra letter in for the blend. This is the word curb. Curb. That's not an E. Don't run your bike up on the curb. This is the word thirsty. Thirsty. Thirst. E. That's actually not really an E though. That's another letter. I'll give you a hint. It's a vowel, but this is only a sometimes vowel. So it's not A, E, I, O, or U. It's another one, which could be sometimes a. And it makes the E sound, but it's not an E. It also makes the y sound, but in this sentence, it makes a y, it makes the E sound. This number 9, afar. Afar, that's a blend. It makes the sound R. Afar. Inquire. Inquire. Inquire means to ask a question. Inquire. I'll give you a hint. Because this is saying inquire. That's actually saying his name. That's a sneaky E. I'll tell you that right there. This is a blend. The Q with a something. Q, Q. Put that blend right there. Inquire. And because he's saying I'll tell you that's an E. Okay, this is warning. Warning. Mama's been giving you some extra warnings. It's a blend. I-N-G. Ing. Okay, this is a bug. Cat-er-pill-ar. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Cat-er-pillar. Fill it in. Number 13. Vowel. Vowel. You can fill in the missing vowel. This is the word earn. Earn. That is a blend, and this one is doing the talking. Earn. You have to earn money. This is the word cities. Cities. I'll give you a hint. All three of these are a blend. They go together. Blank ES is a blend for cities. We have sit and then ease. How are you going to make this say ease when it already says S? What are you going to add right here? It's not another E, but it is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. Figure out which one's going to go here and here. They're actually the same one, actually. If you can figure out what goes in sit, it is actually the same one that goes in ease. Cities, same letter, missing. And number 16, you had doctor and you had foot. So how can you abbreviate doctor? Add it here. And how can you abbreviate foot? Put it here. Did you have more? Yes, you have vocabulary. Your vocabulary number 18 is enlarge. Enlarge. It means to make bigger. Brisk. Brisk. Fast moving. Pledge. Pledge. A promise. That's it. You can now pause this video. We're at about 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'll see you back here in just a minute. We'll start on Wednesday. We're at 6 minutes and 30 seconds. We'll start up your Wednesday. Bye. All right, we're back on 4th grade. Number 24, we're on Wednesday. This is the second list that I made. We already did Monday, and now today we are back on Wednesday doing the list again. Okay, first word, I'm gonna go kind of fast because by now you've practiced multiple times. This one is untie. Untie. Repair. Number 2. Repair. Number 3, fountain. Fountain, although it does write as fountain. Fountain is actually fountain, and that's a double blend. Fountain or fountain. Number 4, author. Author. Author is someone who wrote the book. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Move it like this. There you go. All right, now we're on biscuit. Biscuit. However, biscuit is written as biscut because the I is actually silent. So how can you make biscut with the silent I? Biscuit. Number 6 is re and then search. Research. Fill in the missing sounds for research. I'll give you a blend. This is not a vowel. That's actually a blend right here. Ch, ch, ch. But this is a vowel, and this one is doing the talking. Research. Research. Number 7, curb. Curb. I hear in curb, but this is not an E. It's something else. Curb. Don't run up on the curb. Number 8 is thirsty. Thirsty. This is a blend. This is a blend. And this is a blend. St. And actually, there should be another blank right there because it's missing something sneaky on the end, and it's not an E this time. It's a, I'll even give you a hint. That's what's missing. E. Thirsty. Number 9, afar. Afar. People are coming from afar. Number 10, inquire. 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 And it actually has a sneaky E on the end of that one because he's saying I. That's why. Inquire. The next one is warning. Warning. I'm giving you a warning. That's a blend. Ing. Let's go to this one, number 12. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Let's sound it out. Cat. Pill. R. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Number 13. Vowel. Vowel. Write the missing vowels. This is another blend, and this is a blend. E blank, E blank. This is the blend, and he is talking. This is earn. Earn. Which letters do you hear in earn? This is not a vowel. That is not an A-E-I-O-U in the second blank right here. This is something else. He's making our sound. Earn. The next word, cities. Cities. We like to go explore in the cities. Sit, ease. Sit, ease. This is these right here are the same letter, and this is saying ease. Well, actually, all three of these are saying ease. I'll let you figure that out. Number 16 is doctor. How can you abbreviate doctor? What two letters? Blank and blank, period, make doctor. This one over here, 17, is feet. Feet, period. Which two letters make feet? You write that in. We're going fast. Last part is vocabulary. Enlarge. What does that make? What does that mean? Just say it out loud. Enlarge means, good, have someone check you. Number 19, brisk means what? You don't gotta write it, just say it out loud. Good. Pledge. Pledge means what? Now, if you said that enlarge was to make bigger, brisk was something fast moving, and you said that pledge was a promise, guess what? You got them all right. All right, thanks for doing your word with me. This is Mom signing out. Bye. Love you.